All right. First official lesson of this unit. I know you watched the video and did some thinking on the last lesson. So this is the first story you're going to be reading. All of these stories are fiction stories. So different than the last unit, much more focused on fiction and characters and what they are like and what we can learn about them. The theme is all about how characters develop relationships. So friendships, are they enemies, like family relationships, all sorts of different types of relationships. So this story is called The Tryout. It's actually from a bigger story called The Underdogs by Mike Lupica. He's written a number of sports stories. If we ever get back into school and you can read my books, I have some by him. So notice the assignment. As you read, underline key details. So it could be about the characters, about the plot, what is happening. So just anything that seems important as far as what's going on. And then the question you're answering is, what does Hannah's dialogue, the words she says, okay, so you can see, because she said, I've got something to prove, that I'm as good as they are. Okay, so what she says, what does that reveal about her character? So what does it tell us about what she is like, what her personality is, what is important to her? We can tell a lot about a character by what they say. Okay, what they do is also important. So keep in mind, like, why is she there? What is she doing? But then specifically, what does the word she says tell us about who she is, what she values, what her character is? Okay, so give that a shot and let me know if you have any questions.